show people how it's useful, and then they'll appreciate it so much more, I think. So don't set yourself up for failure. That's the other reason not to do that, but I think generally having humility is a good thing. So I have a slide which relates to raising money. I don't know if any of you guys are interested in raising money. But I call it the 12 Ds of raising dough, mainly because everyone always asks me about raising money. So I've just put it up here, but I've just rattled through it. Only talk to the people that are making the decisions. That is the partners in venture firms. No point talking to anyone else. Just don't even take the meeting if it's not the partners that can make the decision. Get the right amount of money. Change the direction just quickly. If your raise amount is wrong, change direction. You've got to be adaptable. Test it with someone. That's kind of obvious, a dry run. Be different. Don't turn up with a slide deck. Totally boring. Do something else, whatever.
Rattle through. Rattle through. Rattle through.